I have here, and I was gifted from the company KEDSUM, this rolling cooler, which we're going to be setting up, see what it brings, and then we're going to try it out on the sand and see how it looks and all the good things. First and foremost, let's see how it comes. We have instructions. We have this first part. We'll set it up to the side. Tools, everything you need. Wheels, look at those wheels. This is going to be great on sand, on many different, you know, like sand, dirt, you name it. Two. And then we have the cooler itself. Which is pretty big. It comes with a nice opener. And it's a nice size. Look at that. It has another compartment on top where you can keep sandwiches, everything, to keep it nice and cool. Has compartments on the side, pretty big mesh on the side, another one on this side, nice handles, another big compartment in the front, and you can see this is the inside. So let's see how it looks all together. So first thing we need to do is to put our wheels. We aligned it right here, and then we have the long screw. So and then we have this tool, and we're just going to make sure that it's nice. And I like to do everything because usually I see videos that they just go and set it up without showing, and it really gets me. I like to see everything that I can do it on my own. So this is the first wheel. We're making it nice and tight. It's pretty simple to set up. There we go. Those wheels are set up, and now we take our cooler. So as you can see, you have this part right here, which we're going to set up here. Bring it up on the handle. Then at the bottom you have this right here, and then you just make sure that it's, and that's it. And then there we have our rolling cooler, and then the handle goes up. Everything is ready to go. Let's close it up. Let's try it out in the sand. This rolling cooler is amazing. I tried it out at the beach and it rolls perfectly. This cooler can hold about 84 cans of sodas, drinks, whatever you need. It's great for camping, for the beach, for game night, you name it. It was so easy to install, and it goes well on whatever terrain, grass, cement. It's the ideal cooler to have. Highly recommend this cooler. I love it. Yes.